Good morning, Bitcoin, and welcome to setting up a Lightning Node and Zap iOS wallet. I just received a message that I've been added to the beta for the Zap iOS wallet, so I wanted to try it out. I went into the menu screen, and it told me before I could use the wallet, I had to connect a remote node. So now I'm going to follow these instructions to connect a remote node to my Zap wallet. This is the first time I've done this, so it might be a complete train wreck. I have used Unix and Linux before. I'm not that concerned. So first of all, create a DigitalOcean droplet. I went ahead and did this before I started the video because it was going to involve payments and so forth. I've successfully connected to my droplet right here using these instructions right here. Pretty straightforward. You log in the first time without an account. They actually email you the password. Then it asks you for the password. You enter it a couple of times and you're able to update your password. Once you've updated your password and paid for your droplet, I used PayPal. It was $5 a month. I suppose I'm going to have my own kind of, I don't know, Lightning node after this that I can use for all my hot transactions. And we'll see how that goes. So, as it says here in the instructions, let's see. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up a Lightning node on a DigitalOcean droplet and connect it to your Zap iOS app in under 10 minutes. The timer is right here in the upper right-hand corner. Challenge accepted. The timer is rolling. Okay, so first we have to download Go. I've heard of Go. It's a programming language. So first we make sure we have the latest security updates. So we're going to apt-get update, but we got a $sign in front of it. That's no good. Party foul number 1. All right, there it is. We're getting some kind of update. It is happening right here on my Linux screen. Fetch that stuff. Okay, Crypto Bantam, are we taking bets? Oh, I would bet on the house. Sudo apt-get upgrade number 2. Here we are. Boom. All right, let's get some more updates. But if you do set up an Augur market, you could go ahead and paste the link in here to an Augur market. LOL. Oh, this is not expected. Grub boot menu. Okay, well, I know kind of what that is, but I'm just going to agree for now. Unexpected bonus menu. All right, so now we're going to download Go, which is a programming language I've heard of. wget is a software I've used before. It's great. You can get an entire web page with wget. Wget-mirror. That's a good command. All right, so we got that thing. Cool. Oh, 23 stopped watching Hardcore Henry for this. Oh, I wouldn't pause that movie. That's a great movie. I saw that not too long ago. All right, bam, bam. Okay, so sudo, that means super user do. Tar is like an unzipping program. X means extract, verify, show me a list of the files, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't matter. All right, so we're going to move the Go folder to the local folder. Boom, that was easy. We are rolling through this. Phase 1 done. Now it's time to set up our environment. All right, we need a place to live. So we exported Go root to somewhere. Now we're exporting the Go path to somewhere. Most of this is so we can type our commands places and not have to type a bunch of stuff before that. So now we're going to set up our path to access the binary system-wide. Hey, that's just what I said, system-wide. Jeremy reminds us there's less than 8 minutes remaining. Now we've only set those environmental profiles. If you'd like to make these permanent, you can edit the profile with Nano. He says the profile should look like this. Oh no, it went away. Executed. Oh, we're in trouble. No, don't quit the window. With the Nano program. Oh, we've hit the wall. 7 minutes in. Oh, we got a chance again. Okay. Control X, do not save. Let's try that one more time with a wider screen. Okay, so last time I used Control K, which I thought would delete a line, and it did. So we are back. Fortunately, I know how to use Nano. I used to use it when it was called Pico. Control X, save, get out of here. Bam, we are back on track. We've made our variables permanent so we can do this from any other time. Let's get our Go version. Let's verify our version. Bam, Go version 1.10. We are hammering it. We can verify the Go environment with Go environment. Let's do it. We did cover up the timer here. That's not fair. Still 6 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Environment looks good. All right, so we need to install make. We don't have make. Okay, so we must be like a really early kind of primitive Linux machine because make is the program that makes things. Now, we told Go, the programming language, to go get us something, and it's getting us Lightning, I guess. We're waiting. The flashing, blinking light means we're waiting. 5 minutes, 55 seconds. This is not my fault. This is some kind of waiting. It's supposed to be waiting here. Doesn't say anything in the instructions. Waiting. Oh, come on. Okay, so it's getting us GitHub Lightning Network LND. That must be something big. Let's see what that is. All of this stuff. Oh, it worked. I just had to be patient. That's one of the hardest parts about Unix is you can screw up the whole thing if you're not patient. And I'm on the clock here. Okay, so we're going to cd. That means change directory. Got it. Now we're going to make the install file. This will like put it all together so we can install the Lightning Network onto this little droplet thing that I bought for $5 a month. It's saying things. It says it's fetching a dependency. Oh, it's compiling dependencies. I thought it was joking when it said macaroon, but it just said macaroon again. So that must be a real thing. But we are rolling through this. We have 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. It's very tight. Before we start Lightning, let's start a terminal session via Screen. Screen allows us to use multiple windows. We are hardcore. We're going to use multiple windows. Okay. Here we go. Still waiting. Still waiting. Okay, so all this stuff's happening. Oh yeah, for right now, this is like a beta version of the Zap wallet. So you have to be in the beta to get the test wallet. So the part we're going to do after this will be for beta wallets only. But for right now, anyone can do this, and you can install a Lightning node instance with one of these little droplet things. So there it was, another long pause. We had to use our Linux patience there. We have so little Linux patience. Maybe I'll drink some water while it works. I can't believe they're going to make us use multiple screens. I don't know what we're doing next, but we're going to use screen. Oh, we made it. I don't see any errors. Let's go forward. Screen, 3 minutes remaining. Copyright information for screen. Press enter to end. Great. Okay, so we did screen. Now you can decide whether you'd like to run Lightning paired with your own Bitcoin full node, or if you'd like to run Lightning in its client mode. To keep it brief, we're going to run it in the client mode on testnet. So because we don't know anything else, we are also going to run it in the client mode on testnet. We copied this gigantic line of stuff. It says this line starts Lightning on Bitcoin's testnet. Boom. Okay, so it's happening. Maybe. Waiting for encryption password. Okay, so now it says that line does it. It'll say that. So then enter the following command. Lightning CLI. So Lightning client create. So we told it to create. All right, it's more of this Linux pause. Let's see what happens. Man, a password and a cipher. And I have to write it down. Oh, man. We're asking a lot today. All right, new note. Let's see. Keep that over there. Keep that up there. Here we go. I don't know what's happening now. It didn't say it would take forever. Lightning node create. Let's see what the chat says. Minute and 30 seconds remaining. We're getting very close. I have to exit screen first, they're saying. Oh, come on. But it said not to. Who knows what screen is? Open a new terminal session. Oh, come on. We're not down to this, are we? Control D. Man, we are. Oh, look at that. What am I going to do with that? No! Jack Maulers is even here. No, we failed, Jack. The time is running out. It's 47 seconds. We hit the wall right on the last one. No, we hit the wall, and now we have all this stuff. And also, I think I put my droplet password out there or something, but I screwed it all up. So let's see. Let me get my password. Let me get a new instance. I skipped a line. Oh, come on. Let's see. Run the command to start. Okay. Let's cancel, quit, quit. I need to restart. Okay, I'm closing my terminal window. I'm gonna re-log into my whatever my thing's called, my droplet. I hit the wall. Oh, there it is. 1, and the timer's up. 0 seconds. Oh, we were so close. Um, so close. Let's see. But let's see if I can even connect back to this droplet thing. All right. And if no one's hacked my droplet yet. Password. Change the password. All right. Change the password from this to 33. I know. I have to change the password because I leaked the password. Passwords do not match. Oh, I see. It didn't make me type the old password. That's cool. Saving me that trouble, computer. Okay. Sweet. Password updated. Clear the screen. Get this out of here. It said I had to write something down. It's getting more and more complicated. But let's start again. Maybe I can get a new timer. Let's see. I have a lot of windows open now. Let's see. Terminal window. All right. So there's the timer. I'm going to ask the Google for 10 more minutes on the timer. And we're going to start this again right now. The timer is running. All right. We're going back to screen share. Let's see. Oh, full screen. Oh, yeah. That's the full screen so you can leak your password again. Nice. All right. We are back in this. We're going back up. So let's see what happens. So I know that this lightning part worked because that was really easy. Install the make. Then there's this crazy thing about screen. So let's see what the chat says. I skipped a line. I need to detach from screen in order to create the wallet. So now I still don't really know what screen is. So let's just ignore that line and let's do this line again, this big giant line. Ooh, it didn't work. Let's try copy it and let's paste it instead of slamming it. Oh, no, still doesn't work. Let's see. We might have hit the total wall here. Let's see. Screen is still running, they say. Quit. Screen. Screen. Quit. Ooh. Use screen. All right, so screen again. I'm into screen. Okay, so screen's created a new terminal window inside of my terminal window, is what I can only assume. If JJ was here, he would be laughing. Oh, JJ's into screen. All right, paste. Still command. Oh, I have the dollar on front. Okay, that's a rookie move. That's on me. Paste. Bam. Okay. All right, so I think that I think it's doing it. Active chain testnet. It should tell me that I can create a wallet now, right? Let's see. No, nothing. Is this the Linux patient part? Still 8 minutes on the new clock. I thought we were running really good. Oh, yeah, if anyone wrote down this whole number, they could join in. Let's see. Okay, so I'll let you guys know if it does anything. We were so close. I thought we were really, and we had the time too. That's what I was impressed by. We were gonna make the 10-minute time. Um, they say I need to attach to the other screen and, kill the thing. I'll let Zach join us, but I'm gonna keep calling him Zach. But let's see, quit, Control C, Control Q. How do I get out of this? Do I have to, like, reconnect again? My quitting skill, I don't wanna quit the whole terminal window. Come on, Control C, work again. Oh, there it is, gracefully shutting down. Ah. Release SIGINT. Okay, so Control C gets you out. That's good to know. Um, I'm trying to run it a second time. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get another terminal window. I'm gonna reconnect to this thing again, and then we'll try this one more time. We might stop the timer. We're not gonna win on time, it seems. Uh, there we go again. And I was fast on those commands. Okay, so there it is. I've got a new screen. Now we're gonna have to do screen RD, and I'm gonna show you guys again what's happening here. The multiplying windows, the literal chaos that's taking over my screen. We're still on the second timer. This one is blown. I'm giving up on this one. It's no good. We're moving to this one. This one is the winner. This is the horse. I'm so glad they didn't start that auger market. We would have lost. Okay, so screen RD. These are the screens that are running. I need to reattach. So let's see. Screen dash D host to reconnect to them. Oh, I have to write this whole thing down? Come on. Tab still works. Oh, this is the same. Now I'm back in this screen hell. Oh, dude, no one knows what screen is. Let's see. 40 viewers looking at complete failure. Control C is not exiting gracefully, in case you're wondering. We're not getting a graceful exit. So we're gonna have to get another one. Somebody tell me how to kill these screens in the chat. Whatever this screen thing is, that's the step that got confusing. So we're failing now. We're still on our second 6-minute timer. We're trying to reconnect again just for fun. We thought it would be fun to set up a Lightning node. It's not that fun. We'll give it another try here. Here it is, the third approach. Let's see. All right, close this one down because this one's crashed. Let's see if they know how to run screen yet. Whatever the heck screen is. Okay, so those are my screens. They're detached. Thomas looks so slick. Yeah, let's see. Shows you all the screen LS. Yeah, but how do I exit the screen once I get in them? Can I kill them from here? Screen R. There are several suitable screens, but they're all crashed. They're terrible. D. Detach. Hmm. That doesn't work. Number at the beginning of the line, use K for kill. That's not completing anymore. Unknown option, kill. Let's see, D, R. Detach the screen somewhere else and run it here. Oh, won't do it. There's no screen detach matching. I think we've hit that Linux hole where, like, I know exactly what's broken here. Yes, I know that we need to connect to these things and kill them somehow, but we've hit some kind of a hole where you just can't get out. Okay, Jeremy thinks exit the screen. I know we can reattach to the screen, but that didn't help at all last time. Okay. Ooh, that worked. Control A and then type in quit. That worked. Oh, that did not help. Okay, so we have a screen that's attached and a screen that's detached. Screen F. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore here. It won't like autocomplete like before, so I feel like I've done something wrong if it won't autocomplete. Well, this is something for the help file. Whatever step I missed is the step that people are gonna miss. Cannot execute. Oh, that went well. Ooh, kill all. Now we're talking. That worked. Yeah, control alt delete. We're way past that now. Okay, so let's try it again. Screen, which seems to do nothing. Really helpful. It does like screen does nothing. Let's see. And we'll get this part. We'll put that in there. Okay. All right, we made it back to this create a wallet command thing. All right, so create a wallet. You cannot kill the screen you're in. Okay, now what's going to happen? We're using our Linux patience, but we're running out of time. 1 minute. I feel we're really close. Oh, keep reading. Oh, keep reading. But we just crashed again. Now we have to go back through all the crash failure things that we just learned. Exit, control A, quit, quit, control A, control C. Oh, there we go, shutting down. Then I'm still inside of a screen or something. I still forgot to detach the screen. Yeah, we're giving away private keys as soon as we get to that step. No, this is not working. Oh, let's see. It'll give you some copyright information. Then you can decide if you'd like to run Lightning paired with your own node or in client mode. Run this command. Oh, there's my timer. Oh, that's up. Oh, I'm so sorry for Jack. We're failing him so badly. He thought that this was going to work. Kill all screen sessions. Hmm. Oh, that seems like it's working. Ooh, I got stuff now. I use stuff. I don't know what that did. No, hitting the wall. Not sure what to do here. This is the Linux situation, man. This is how Linux works. Check Twitter DMs. Now, if I check the DMs, everyone can see them. Doesn't work. A new terminal. New terminal. Oh, we're hitting the wall here, people. Bitcoin now accepted for bail. Let's see. It's right in the article. Explains everything right here, except the step you're skipping. Okay, let's see. But to do so, let's detach from our screen session. Oh, okay. I kind of understand what we're doing now. I still think I'm going to screw it up. But let's give it one more chance here. So we're trying to run the lightning command in a screen so that it'll keep running after we're done. That's what we're doing. So Still don't know where we are right now. We have to like figure out. So let's try kill all screen. Screen is terminating. Great. They should put those little dots that like come up. Dot, 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 dot. Who has the patience for screen to terminate? But yeah, we're going to be running the Linux or the Lightning Node thing in the background. That's why things got so complicated, because Screen allows us to make things run in the background. Oh, there it is. It was just waiting for me to push enter. Okay. Okay, so now we should have no screens. No screens found. Excellent. So when I push screen, it starts a new screen. Now I'm inside of a thing or whatever. It's an instance, and I have to make sure I don't get that dollar sign. That doesn't work. And then I can paste this here. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my lightning thing run, and it's running, but I'm not gonna use it from here. I'm going to push Control A. Ah, no, I fucked up. Control A, no other window. Then it says D. I push D, nothing happens. See? Even okay, so after executing the above line, which I totally did, uh, blah, blah, blah to get started. Oh, so I have to push one more thing? Man, this is not gonna work. Okay, so you use this to get started. It's unclear. Control A and D at the same time? I don't have to type this? Okay. Control A and D at the same time. That was good. I think I won. Now enter the following command. I think I went oh, I think I did it. I think it worked. Okay, so now everyone wants my wallet password, so I'll make sure, good, it's showing it to everyone. Okay, do I have an existing cipher, seed, or mnemonic that you wanna use? Oh, this is the part I don't wanna show everyone, yes? So if I go like, boom, now you cannot see, and, now I say, do I want this, cipher, do I have one? No. Enter I was wrong. Okay, your cipher C can optionally be encrypted. Enter your passphrase, press enter to go without a passphrase. Okay, so we're gonna go without a passphrase for this right now. It's giving us a thing. I'm supposed to write it down. Everyone knows I'm not going to. They all know I'm gonna put it in some other file and have it stolen from me. But that's fine. It says LND successfully initiated. And let's see if I clear this. Okay, so now I think we're getting close again. I can show you the screen to install Zap Connect. Okay, so now I have to now my Lightning node is running, and now I have a special private key, and I have a passphrase, and they're having a debate on whether the instructions are wrong or I was wrong. I'm gonna go with a little of both. Here we go. Go get GitHub Zap Connect. All right, so I'm going to GitHub now. Ooh, that was fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna change directories again. We're back in my wheelhouse here, changing directories. Bam! Oh, changing directories like a champ. And I'm too lazy to even type make. Look at that. New levels. Uh-oh, it says go get some kind of thing. Uh-oh. Oh, go install things. Oh, it worked anyway. Zap Connect. Nah, I don't want to type anything. Okay, so boom, Zap Connect. Oh, it's no lightning configuration. Can it get by? Can it get by? Still blinking. It's blinking. Does that mean it's working? This will generate a QR code. That's what it says. Make. Oh, did it finish? IO timeout. Uh-oh. Zap Connect to generate the QR code. I'll try one more time. IO means interface. All bets under 30 minutes on Augur have been liquidated. People won money today. Let's see, no such file or directory. I don't have a lightning conf. I don't have a LND conf. It said dial TCP. Oh, the wall. Okay, people in the chat, what have we got now? Am I in the wrong screen? You saw me do the screen. I think I have a lightning instance. I'm lightning instance full. Uh, I would sing the Jeopardy song. That's an easy way to lose my ad rights. I think we got close. I don't know. Is this a win? The chat seems to have left me. Chat says you did it. Now lightning create. I did that. Uh, uh, don't how everything is running as root. Yeah. Well, this is some kind of $5 server. It can't be very valuable. I don't think you could do very much if you took over my $5 droplet that I just started. Does the tutorial say anything about the lightning conf? No. Let's see. I-O. Oh, look at that. That was cool. Ooh. So now use command. Command is like control. Maybe not. Press command plus a second time to see full QR code. This is like Jurassic Park. It's like Jaws. Like you have to see the monster. Um, press command. Oh, there we no. That was me resizing the window. Um, I didn't think I'd have trouble on this step. I look like a Mac user right now. But you got to admit that Linux gave me a really big QR code, huh? Like Linux, when it comes to QR codes, baby, use number one. Like other people, their QR codes may be reasonable size, but Linux, you guys come through. So there we go. I resized my window. You can't see my text anymore, but I think this is it. I can now connect the remote node to my Lightning app. So this is the part that I get to do the, oh no, that's not going to work. You resize it to the right size. This is right enough. All right, so boom, I can see the QR code. Turn this off. Get the phone on here. Zap the Lightning wallet. Scan. Allow access to the camera. There we go. It's got it. Okay, so where's my window so I can see what I look like? Okay. So then it says connect to our Zap node. So I scanned it. I have to read the instructions now. I can't just continue. Verify the address is populated by your droplets IP. Got it. Then click connect. Choose a pin. There's always a pin number. Never going to remember that. Oh, 0% syncing to blockchain. Come on, 1%. Let's see. Let's see. Once you've connected, you click connect. Zap will remember your contact information. Doesn't say anything about syncing to blockchain. But I'm good to go with this final step, I think, which is celebrate right here, right? Let's bring the text up. Here it is right here. Zap. Right here, it says celebrate. This step is absolutely mandatory. You now have a 24/7 online remote Lightning Network node set up with an application to drive it remotely from your iPhone. Says future versions of the app will have LND running on the device. So you mean I learned this for nothing? Um, Technical details will be abstracted. It'll be tailored towards a mainstream audience, but you don't care. You couldn't wait. You want to experience the future. You want to help push Lightning forward. And for that, we thank you so much. When it's synced, it'll load. Okay, so it did just load. Let's see. Oh, I want to do this. I don't care what it takes. The stupid Apple thing, it keeps falling asleep when I want to run QuickTime, and then it keeps closing my phone. But I want to be slick. I want to show the actual phone on the screen. How cool would that be? Would you guys think that's cool? I think it's cool. I'm willing to wait 30 seconds for that. Okay, here it is. My screen's a big mess, but I want to show you guys everything that's happening here on my very exciting screen, which turns out to be testnet. So you can send me money, it just won't matter. But here we go. Bam, right here. This is my Lightning wallet. I can click receive. I have to say the amount. I want one, whatever this is. There it is. Boom. You can send me one B, I think it's a bit, at this Lightning QR code or address, whatever that is. I can share it. Let's see what happens when I push share. Twitter. Okay. I'm just gonna tweet that. Fuck it. You figure it out. Copy link. What'll that do? I don't know. But there it is. There's my Lightning wallet. It's on chain. I can receive Lightning. I can create an invoice. I can send. I don't have any money yet. Oh, look, there's oh. I've got a transactions button. Oh, there's that one invoice thing that I created. I have channels and I have settings. There it is. So has anyone sent me anything yet? If I put 100, will that make it more likely to send me something? It's supposed to be fast, right? Jokes. Stay for the jokes. But there it is. Bam. Lightning node, Lightning wallet. Pretty easy instructions if you've got the guy from Lightning wallet waiting for you in the chat. The main issues that I had problems with, just for recap, I was confused with the concept of screen. I understand what it is to run a program in the background. That makes sense to me. I've just never used screen before. So I got trapped in there. Pushing Control A and D at the same time seems very strange to a Mac user. We usually keep those shortcuts down to one key rather than two. And then I probably skipped a step because I read fast and skip steps, and people are definitely going to do that. So I'm glad to help Zach. I'm going to call him Zach always. I'm glad to help Jack and the crew test out the Lightning wallet. We tried out the Zap Lightning wallet right here on my phone. Anyone can send it or send me testnet Lightning, not real Lightning, not real Bitcoin. But there it is. People were talking about how you had to create a node to create an invoice or then it disconnects from the computer. That's funny. It won't. Well, whatever it is, the computer won't show it to you, but I showed it to you in the chat. It worked. We'll talk more about this tomorrow, but for right now, it seems like I bought a digital open ocean droplet, a $5 server to run my Lightning node. It doesn't seem to have a Bitcoin node attached to it. It's some kind of light version of the node. It's connecting to the node on its own, and it worked on my phone. They say the screen brightness is too loud on my phone. I think it's just my camera is too good and it won't focus. There it is. So there it is. That's my testnet Lightning address. Looks way more complicated, longer than a Bitcoin address. I need to have a channel first. I don't know if I need to make a channel or something, but it says send and receive. It says there are transactions. I don't know if I have transactions or if I just created invoices. But I'm on the testnet chain, whatever that is. So we'll talk more about this. We'll figure it out. I wanted to do a quick 10-minute introduction to this. Sorry that it didn't go well and I screwed up the screen thing. We'll try to do better the next time. I imagine if I did this again tomorrow, I could stream right through it. So maybe we'll do another one tomorrow and we'll talk more. And you can always send me some testnet Lightning. So get that set up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.